You can sleep soundly at night knowing that your app is going to work every day, unlike MyFitnessPal. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Zach, and today on Fitness Fabrication, we're going to be talking about an app called Lifesum. To summarize, Lifesum is a free app that you can download from the Google Play Store or the App Store to track your calories and food intake every day. You can do much more than that, but that gives you a general idea. Let's get started. Alright, so as I mentioned, there is a free version of this app, but today we're going to be talking about the premium version. We're going to be talking about why this app is better than MyFitnessPal. Stick with me, because it is better, in my opinion, but it is better. The reason why is because I personally experienced an issue when I had MyFitnessPal. When I first started working out, I went to MyFitnessPal, downloaded the app, got the premium version, and I wasn't able to add food to the meals that I created custom. That kind of reverses the point of having one of these apps, at least for me, because having one of these apps means you can make custom meals, and especially if you count macros, make custom meals that actually fit your diet and macros. This issue with MyFitnessPal lasted long enough for me to switch. It just wasn't worth actually waiting to have them fix the issue. Though this is somewhat biased, it's really not, because it's limitation to the functionality of the app. Like I said, it's a really big part of the app, depending on who you are. Maybe it's not going to be a big part of your reasoning for using the app, but for me, it was a big deal. I've never had issues with Lifesum, so that's another plus already on Lifesum's side. Lifesum is not a whole lot cheaper than MyFitnessPal, but it is $5 cheaper a year, and I feel like it has more to bring to the table. Though MyFitnessPal has a larger database that they're working with, Lifesum has a plenty large database. You can set a fitness or weight goal, and along with this, they'll actually give you a macro count to follow as well, which is really cool. If you don't like the preset macros that they give you and you already have a macro plan, you can actually manually add them into the app as well. You can also track your daily calories and food intake by scanning the barcodes or manually entering them into the app. If you can't find the food that you're looking for in the app, you can always create a custom food, which is a really cool feature. When creating your custom food, you can name it, brand it, categorize it, and add a barcode to it. Along with this, you can create or select one of the pre-created serving sizes, along with adding the weight per serving. Finally, you're going to add the nutritional value to your food. That's going to be the calories, protein, carbohydrates, and fats, along with many other selections in there for you. Also, as I mentioned before, there's a hydration tracker that comes with this app, and it's right off the bat, right in your face. So it's not very hard to find. You can just add how many waters you've had, and you can change the size of the waters that you've had as well, so it's accurate to what you're drinking. With this app, you also have access to recipes and health plans. Along with that, you can also access what's called a life score. This score rates your health based on the things you eat, how often you work out, and different things that you enter into the system. You're also going to be able to set your preferences as far as being vegetarian, vegan, and you also have the ability to add allergies as well. These can be found right in the settings, very easy and accessible, and as far as I know, when you first sign up, you can actually input these things so you won't have to go into the settings like I do to access them. But if you do change your preference, you'll be able to go back there at a later time. As I mentioned before, you can create custom meals with macros and things that suit your needs. It's very easy to go in and create a custom meal, just as you would create a custom food. You can name the custom food, take a picture of it, and also see the nutritional values at the bottom. So though there are a few features that aren't available unless you have the premium version, let me tell you a few things. Number one, you get a quality app for $45, which is $5 cheaper than MyFitnessPal. Two, in my opinion, you get a better interface. And three, you can sleep soundly at night knowing that your app is gonna work every day, unlike MyFitnessPal. Number four, you have a huge database, again, to pick foods from. It's not as big as MyFitnessPal, but if the food's not in there, you can easily create the food and add it into any one of the meals that you want to add it into. In conclusion, in the end, the choice is yours. We know the way that I'm leaning toward. We know the route that I've been using, and it's been working great. I work out 5 days a week. Yeah, I take the weekends off, but 5 days a week, 4 meals a day, it suits my needs. So if you work out that much and you eat as much as I do, it's probably gonna work for you. Even if you have the free version, nutritional values, I believe, are limited. The information on nutritional values are limited. But again, if you go with the premium version, you're not gonna have any issues. I mean, what is it, like $5 a month? So pick your battles. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share the video, ring the bell so you can get notified, when I make a new video, obviously. And again, make sure you comment down below. See you next time. Oh, I'm gonna do the thumbnail now. Did I wave? A brand, a category,